What happened yesterday as an election here in Rivers State was a scam. Nothing happened anywhere. Even when people tried to vote, INEC, with the full complexity of PDP, came out with security agencies conniving, and they snatched away ballot papers, carted away with beavers, and then some of the people who went out to vote were left frustrated. In some other places, town criers went in the evening to ask anybody who is not coming out to vote for PDP should not come out. That's why you can see the voter party. Some of the polling stations, you see literally people coming out to vote. Is that an election that we should call an election? And we are saying we are not accepted. That result, that whatever result they want to concoct, Labour Party is saying we are not part of it. We are not part of it, and we are rejecting its totality because it's not a reflection of the people's mandate. In local governments where we won, we have the results, we have the video clips. Everything is there. They went there and concocted other different results from what happened at the polling units, and we are saying no.
There were places where elections did not hold, Kana for instance, but they are parading results. So we don't know, were these results written before the elections, or somebody already had an idea what it was going to be? So, you know, because it is part of our mandate as Nigerians to protect our nation and our state, it's important for us to ensure that every election held in this country is free, fair, and credible. Until that happens, this cannot be referred to as an election.
That day of 18, they hijacked all the ballot boxes in LMA. So all the talks that we have in LMA local government, they all team up to come to our various ward and hijack our boss. And also, they also matched somebody in Akpajo community and beat people off in Akpajo community and other ward.